Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to tell you about chia seeds. What are chia seeds? What are its health benefits and how we can use chia seeds in different ways, and also if any disadvantage of eating chia seeds. Chia is an edible seed that comes from the desert plant Salvia hispanica grown in Mexico. Chia means strength. These are tiny black seeds with white dots. Chia seeds contain healthy omega 3 fatty acid, carbohydrate, proteins, fiber, antioxidants, and calcium. Chia seeds are unprocessed whole grain food that can be easily absorbed by the body. It has mild nutty flavor, that is why easy to add to foods and beverages. What are health benefits of chia seeds? First comes, it stimulates weight loss. Chia seeds are high in fiber that help in the absorption of water, making the stomach full. Fiber also help the digestive system, and high protein content in chia seed also control appetite. Second, improves digestion. As I have already told you, it contains fiber. Due to that, it improves our digestion. Third, manage blood sugar level. Chia seeds are rich source of protein and omega 3 fatty acid. The combination of these two can help improve metabolic health and stabilize blood sugar level. Fourth is maintain cardiovascular health. The health benefits of chia seeds reach all the way to heart. As a source of omega 3 fatty acid, chia seeds can help reduce inflammation. Chia seeds help in raising HDL, the healthy cholesterol we can say. This improves cardiovascular health. Fifth is it increases energy level. The carbohydrates in chia seeds slow down digestion, which makes the nutrient available for longer time. Many players eat seeds to improve their performance. Chia seeds are also added to the energy bars that help it to sustain the energy. Fifth, rich in protein. Chia seeds also contain amino acids necessary for muscle repair and growth. These are good for people who eat vegetarian or vegan diet. Adding chia seeds to smoothies, soups, or salads can increase protein intake for people who don't eat meat or you can say dairy product. Chia seeds boost our mood. Tryptophan, an amino acid is in chia seed, help the people feel calm. It helps the brain to increase production of happy hormones, serotonin, and it regulates melatonin level, which improves sleep. Seventh is sources of antioxidants. One thing very important is we have to know about free radicals. Our body creates free radicals. Free radicals are consequences of all aging and breaking down. Free radicals are very dangerous to overall health because they disrupt healthy cell repair and new cell generation. Free radicals are not checked if they can contribute to premature aging and cancerous growth even. But antioxidants prevent the production of free radicals and reduce the production of free radicals. Chia seeds are very rich in antioxidants, so they can reduce premature and aging. Eighth is building strong bones. What helps in making bones? Calcium. Chia seeds contain calcium. It also contains magnesium and phosphorus. Calcium is special ingredient in building strong bones and preventing osteoporosis. Shortage of calcium makes the bone brittle that break more easily. Phosphorus and magnesium also build bones and make the best use of calcium. Ninth is promote oral health. Like bones, teeth are just like made of calcium. Vitamins and minerals present in the chia seeds help in making strong teeth. Besides calcium, vitamin A and zinc are also part of these seeds. Zinc prevents the plaque in teeth. Vitamin A promotes saliva production. Saliva prevents the sticking of bacteria in mouth that helps to protect us from oral diseases. 10th is raw and organic in nature. Chia seeds do not have any pesticide to grow. They are free from pesticides, always free of poisonous chemicals used in cultivation of plants. These are also non-GMO. People who are vegan or wish to reduce the GMO intake can take chia seeds as a healthy substitute for animal products. These are the different benefits, but now question is how to eat chia seeds. First, we can make smoothies. A popular way to use chia seed is in smoothies. Secondly, salad dressing. Chia seeds blend with the salad dressing like olive oil, vinegar, honey and lemon. Thirdly, it can be used in pudding. Fourthly, it can be used in baking goods. Fifth, we can use in making granola, protein bars or energy bars. Sixth way is chia seeds can be used in chia drinks. Seventh is instead of breadcrumbs, we can use chia seeds as a binder. Eighth is chia seed jam can be made. Very interesting. Chia seeds are safe to eat but may cause an allergic reaction in some people because of some medication taken by the people. People on blood pressure medication should eat and they can have with caution. If they want to take, they should talk to their doctor. Thank you for watching my video, and if you like the video, please write in comment box. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe it. Thank you.